Dear viewers, welcome to the English classroom. Today I will talk about prepositions on above and over. Before that, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and encourage me to make more videos. Now I will explain the use of these prepositions. On indicates a position of contact or support on a surface. Above indicates a position higher than something else without necessarily implying contact, often used for things that are not directly touching. Over indicates a higher position with movement or covering something. Use on when there is a contact or something is touching a surface. Use above when something is at higher level but there is no contact or not necessarily touching. Use over when there is movement and still no contact or covering something. Alright, let's move on the questions and answer. Number 1. The book is blank the table. Here table is surface and book is object. It indicates that the book is located on the surface of the table and there is a connection with surface. So correct answer will be on. Number 2. The ceiling fan is blank my head. Here head is surface and ceiling fan is object. Above is more appropriate in this context as it implies a position higher than something else without necessarily covering it, and there is no contact and ceiling fan always above us. Number 3. Cat jumped blank the TV. Here TV is surface and cat is object. It describes the action of a cat jumping and the path it took, using the preposition over to indicate that the cat moved above and across the television and there is no contact. Thus we use over. The picture is blank the wall. Here wall is surface and picture is object. When referring to the position of something on a surface like a wall and picture has direct contact with the wall, therefore answer is on. Number 5. The plane flew blank the mountains. Here mountains is surface and plane is object. It indicates that the plane was positioned above the across the mountains, and as plane flew there is a movement. So correct answer would be over. Number 6. I dived blank the bridge. It indicates movement from one side to other, passing up the bridge. Therefore correct answer would be over. Number 7. The sun is blank the house. The sun's location in the sky relative to the house, meaning the sun is at higher elevation than the house. While over could also be used some context, however here we use above. Number 8. My cat is blank my laptop. Hence laptop is surface and clearly conveys the cat's location and sitting on the laptop. So there is a contact with the laptop. So correct answer will on. Number 9. A bulb is blank the window. Here window is surface and bulb is object. It clearly and accurately states the position of the bulb relative to the window, and there is gap between window and bulb. Thus correct answer is above. Number 10. She put a blanket blank the child. Dear viewers, it's your time to tell the answer. Please let us know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.